to.
landing. What?
Don't speak.
Roughy landing. Oh yeah! Roughy landing. Guys, roughy landing.
Shut up.
I'm talking to these guys. What do you think? Oh my gosh, guys. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 1. Calm down. Calm down, Airasia. Calm down, Cookie. Calm down. Calm down. How Airasia stands up. Roughy landing.
Shut up.
What am I doing?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Airasia welcomes you to Manila.
Also his.
No.
The time now is 54 minutes past the hour of 8 in the evening.